So guys, let's make some cheesy chicken tacos. All right, I stopped and I picked up some marinated chicken thighs. We're gonna throw those down on the hot grill. We're gonna get them cooked just through. Then I'll give them a nice rough chop. We're gonna throw them back down for a second and get them kind of crispy. Once we reach that point, we just kind of pull those off to the side. It's time to make some tacos. So we're gonna make a cool dozen today. I got my tortillas down. Now I'm gonna add a little dollop of oil to the backside of each of these, so when I flip them over, they all start getting nice crispity, crunchity. Okay, now we're ready to build some tacos. I'm gonna start with this quesadilla cheese. It's just this melty cheese. We put a nice layer of that. Let it fall off the sides a little bit. That's the best part. Add a healthy portion of that chicken. Just get them loaded up. Now we make our tacos. Fold it over, give a little press. That's it. Look at those. Go ahead and flip those back and forth a few times. Get them kind of crunchy. And that's it. You ready to plate them up? Now at this point you can put anything you want on them. Put some lettuce, tomatoes, guacamole, salsa. This is when you load it with your favorite taco toppings. Me, I stopped by the store earlier. I found this little package of Fresh Pico de Gallo. It had all these jalapenos, and I knew it would be perfect for the tacos, so I loaded them up just like that. Cheesy chicken tacos with the Fresh Pico, man. Just get in there and enjoy. What a treat. Cheers, everyone.